Good morning. The private spaceflight company SpaceX said on Friday it'll try again to land the first stage of its Falcon 9 rocket upright at sea. This video shows what happened last time it tried last April. SpaceX will try again later this month on January 17th or 18th. It'll launch the Falcon 9 from Vandenberg Air Force Base in California. It's going to be launching a mission to put an ocean studies satellite into orbit, the Jason 3 satellite. And if it does manage to get the first stage of the rocket back to the ground and land it upright at sea, that'll be a first. SpaceX did send up a Falcon 9 last month and successfully landed on land. That's important to cut the cost of space flight. Here's some news about the little companion galaxy to the beautiful Whirlpool galaxy. This galaxy pair, the little galaxy is on the right, and this galaxy pair is 26 million light years away. The little galaxy is called NGC 5195, and it's known to have an active black hole at its core. The Chandra X-ray Observatory saw two X-ray emitting arcs of material coming from the vicinity of this black hole. And astronomers think that the black hole is expelling material outward into that galaxy on a timescale of millions of years. And they're calling it a double belch from the black hole. So you know that black holes can pull things in, but they can also push things outward into their galaxies. And the astronomers said that these blasts were probably caused by some kind of interaction between the smaller galaxy and the spiral-shaped Whirlpool galaxy. There's good news about the Kepler Planet Hunter spacecraft. And you may know that this spacecraft has found about half of the 2,000 known exoplanets. Those are planets orbiting other stars. But in 2013, Kepler lost the second of its gyroscope-like reaction wheels that are needed to keep the craft stable. So NASA ended the mission at that time. But then Kepler's controllers figured out an ingenious way to keep the craft stable using radiation pressure from the sun. So Kepler began a new mission at the end of 2014. It discovered its first exoplanet for the extended mission at that time. And scientists said last week at the meeting of the American Astronomical Society in Kissimmee, Florida, that Kepler has now found another 100 exoplanets. And by the way, when we talked about this at earthsky.org, people were asking us why we didn't show photographs of the new planets. But Kepler doesn't find planets by taking images of them. Instead, it uses what's called the transit method. So it's looking for little dips in the star's light when a distant planet passes in front of the star from our point of view. That's all for today. Talk to you Wednesday.
Ground control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom. Lock your Soyuz hatch and put your helmet on.
10,
Ground control to Major Tom.
7, 6,
Commencing countdown, engines on.
3, 2,
Detach from station and may God's love be with you. This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade, and the papers want to know whose shirts you wear. capsule